Alright guys, check this out. So, this is a rotisserie chicken from a place called Sunterra. I've never heard of them. And this thing was, look how tiny this is. This is the size of my hand. And this chicken is like $10, $11? Yeah, this is so tiny. Look at this. My hand goes right over it. So this is what it says. So we're gonna do a quick taste test and see if it's actually worth the $10 that it claims to be. Look at this. I've seen chickens at Costco like twice as big as this. So, all right, guys, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. All right, so I got it out of the bag, and we're gonna do a quick taste test. I'm gonna just take a little piece of meat from the thigh here and see if it's worth it. Remember, this is an expensive piece of chicken here. And apparently the store just opened, so they had like a grand opening event. Okay, so let me tell you, the meat is kind of dry. Not bad. You can tell it's leaner, but it's kind of dry. Seasoned really well. It has salt on it. Yeah, it's a little bit leaner type of meat, so it's not bad. So definitely check it out if you want your chicken leaner. If you have questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.